Hello, welcome to Code with Mushtaq. I am Mushtaq. Today we will create the Venn diagram by using set operations in Python by using NumPy. We will use NumPy, Matplotlib, PLT, and Matplotlib Venn. We use the NumPy array join and the set operations defined in the Matplotlib Venn. Okay, let's start. It's very easy. First, we will create two arrays, set A and set B, with NumPy array method. You can see here, this array is from 1 to 8 and the set B from 4 to 10. You can clearly see here that we have 4, 5, 6, and let's move this one, and 7. 4, 5, 6, and 7 are common element between those arrays, these two arrays. Now, what we will do, first we will create a variable to store only A elements which are not common, and then V elements which are not common, and then the intersection of two arrays which are common. Okay, and you know that we can find these by if we want to find the only A elements, we will use set operation A minus B, and if we want to fetch only B elements which are not common, we will find the B minus A, and then we will find the intersection to find the elements which are in both arrays. Let's start. This is the calculate set operations. Number one, A only. We will use the method of NumPy set diff id 1d set A and set B. Set A, set B, these two are argument for this function, this method. It means A minus B element only A will come. Okay. Similarly, we find set B minus A, and then we use the NumPy intersect function to find intersection between set A and set B. Here we will find the common element between these two arrays. Now it's time to create Venn diagram. We will use the Matplotlib PLT dot figure. Alias of the Matplotlib pyplot is PLT, and we will use PLT dot figure function, and we will set the figure size, which is the 8 and 6, and then we create a new variable Venn, and in Venn variable we use the alias of Matplotlib Venn, and here in this function we will fetch these three set which we define here, these three variables. You can see A only, B only, and intersection. And here we use subset function, and then in subset we use length. Okay, length of A only, length of B only, and length of intersection. Okay, and then we set the label of the sets A and B. You can see here label set A and set B. Okay, now here is our cosmetics. There are two, one block for cosmetics. Okay, here we customize color and labels of our Venn diagram. These colors and the labels, these are the labels of the Venn diagram. Let's start. Okay, we use again we use simple get patch by id. Or now you will think about this. I am sure you are confused about this 10. It's binary number 10. I have defined in the comments that 10 mean in set A but not in set B. Binary 10 is 2 in decimal, but here it is used symbolically. 10 means set A but not set B, and 01 mean set B not set A, and 11 mean both the common. Okay, and we color set A as sky blue, set B as light green, and set C is light coral, and we use dot set color method, and we select the sets by the binary id get underscore b. This is our this variable in which we define this set. Okay, and we use get patch by ID to select the required set with binary ID, and then use set color method to set the color of all three sets. Similarly, here we set the text of the all three label. You can see that the label of the all three sets, which are the strings which we create here: A only, B only, and C intersection. You can see a string A only, B only, and intersection. These are strings A only, B only, and the intersection. And finally, we simply put the label by using the plt matplotlib title method to set the title of the Venn diagram here, this title. And this is the last method to show, means to draw the diagram, to show the diagram. We have drawn here, and this method to show the diagram. Now, our Venn diagram is ready with NumPy and Matplotlib. When you run this code, you will find your Venn diagram here. I hope you will like our video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel to find these type of tricks and tips in Python. Have a nice day. Bye.